Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get a refund for your GitHub subscription. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. Now, when you did that guys, let's see what we have in front of us. First of all, you need to go and check out the top left corner where you can see you have home, issues, and everything about those things. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile, you have your profile, your status, settings, and everything. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a refund for your GitHub subscription. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So you need to cancel your subscription by going to GitHub account settings. You can go here in the top right corner and then click on your, of course, settings down here. Then when you're here, you need to go to billing plans, which is here. And here you need to go, and of course, when you're in your billing plans, you need to click on plans and usage. And here, when you have your subscription, you will of course see it. And you need to just go and click cancel subscription. Then you need to go and open a support ticket on the GitHub support page. You can go and find the support page easily. So go back to your home screen. And here you can go and find the, of course, support down here. So when you go into support, open a ticket where you want to, of course, go and request a refund on your subscription. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool. That will be everything, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye, guys.